guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah and today's video will be on this easy and glamorous look. I also think that a glamorous look goes good with a good slick back, so that's what I got going on right here. If you like this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and make sure y'all click subscribe. What y'all doing if y'all ain't clicking subscribe? Subscribe to your girl channel. Alright, let's get cute. Boo. Okay, y'all, so for starters, I am going to start off by doing my brows. I already primed them with my Milani clear brow gel and just taking my Milani Precise eyebrow pencil and giving these brows a makeover, child. Okay, so now I'm just priming my eyes, getting them ready for this nice, easy, and glamorous eye makeup I'm about to do, boo. Okay, now I'm just taking a brown transitional color and putting it in my crease. And I know, y'all, my polar butterfly just all cocked up in my shirt and stuff. Whew. Okay, so here I'm just putting some tape on my eyes just to keep everything in order while we're doing this look. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just going to be taking that gray and placing it all over my lids so that I can have a base for the glitter. Okay, so this is the loose glitter that I'll be using. It's by NYX. I believe I picked this up at a drugstore. I'm just going to spray my brush with some setting spray and dip that in and pack this on my lid. Just take your time. And look, y'all, don't be like me. Don't wear a black shirt or your shirt that you plan on wearing out, because this stuff gets really messy. You can also use some lash glue that dries clear to put your glitter on as well. Okay, so if you have some fallout, just use some tape and it'll pick the glitter right up instead of trying to dust it off. It's going to be more messy when you dust it. Also, with the tape, it also helps to keep your liquid liner in place. That's what I used to use when I first started off doing my wing liner. I just couldn't get them things right, child. So the tape works great. Okay, y'all, so that was just my happy dance. So I'm just putting my foundation on my brush. I did spray it with some setting spray. And in the midst of me doing my face, I was like, child, you forgot to do the top of your eyebrows. So I had to get them things together. And I did prime my face with my E.L.F primer and put a thin layer of translucent powder on before I put my foundation on. And I know it's looking a little crazy right now, but once this settles into my skin, it's gonna be looking good. Okay, so after I put my highlighter on, I'm gonna put my translucent powder on, and I'm gonna leave this on for a couple of seconds longer than I normally do, because since this is a glam look, everything just needs to be like pow pow ba-dow. Okay, so now I'm taking my bronzer in Cocoa Naughty by Rihanna, Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to go in. I'm also going to contour my nose, which is something I hardly ever do, but like I said, this is glam, honey, so we got to do it up. Okay, so I just went over my face with some translucent powder, and now I'm just going to take a little bit of blush and put it on, and then I'm going to go in with some highlight. I did use Urban Decay at first, but it wasn't just giving it to me like this, so I had to go on top of that with my Trophy Wife highlight by Rihanna. For the lips, I'll be using MAC Ruby Woo and pairing that with Juvia's Place lip liner in Scorpio. And then I'm going to put some Trophy Wife on my Cupid's bow. And you can also do a nude lip if you want to as well, if you're not a fan of red lips. Okay, y'all, so this is the look right here. We looking real cute and glamorous. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and click subscribe. And now we finna look cute on the couch. See you next time.